Good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel Explore Through Me. In a significant cultural and spiritual development, Texas has welcomed a grand new landmark, a 90-foot tall statue of Lord Hanuman. This impressive bronze Murti, named the Statue of Union, stands as a powerful symbol of selflessness, devotion, and unity, marking a new chapter in the cultural landscape of America. The statue was designed in India by His Holiness Sri Chinnajiyar Swamiji. The parts were manufactured in China, then shipped to the United States and assembled at the temple. Lord Hanuman is considered an embodiment of strength, devotion, and selfless service. Let's bring the vision of North America's tallest Hanuman statue to life, and together, let's continue to create a world filled with love, peace, and devotion.
Hello friends, this is the 90-foot Hanuman statue and it's the third tallest statue of the United States.
Please enjoy.
Please enjoy.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and share my channel.